Do you want to generate a one-click report for all your departments at once? Imagine having the power to consolidate all your business insights instantly without the hassle of manual data gathering. Well, here's your solution. With a robust ERP software, efficient management of operations in a tiles, ceramic, or sanitary ware company is no longer a dream, it's a reality. Let's take an overview of master modules of this ERP software. Here are the main modules of the ERP software are. The master management includes customer management, product management, security management, user audit log, financial year management, company settings and attendance management.
The factory management includes scrap management, casting management, checking management, glazing, kiln, mold master, sorting, packaging and dispatch management.
The billing management includes export billing, GST, pro forma invoice and multi-currency system.
The account management includes salary management, loan advance and customer payment management.
The reports management includes stock management, production management, customer-wise management, department-wise management, suppliers management and product management.
The slip house management includes raw material, formula management and ball mill management.
You can import data from external sources, also generate and export data in PDF format. Then what are you waiting for? Your one-click system management is just a call away. Give a call on 8200 to 50928 or write your requirement on this mail ID.